Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
I need to say demonstration ya mobe.
Enya oba kumasi ya butu kumasi ya beja. Na demonstration ya see the that's why ya mpene demonstration. Yen tiasi ya demonstration. Ye niabre ko. Yen tiasi ye niabre ko. Yen demonstration echina basu kumasi. Na o share Kenya who can walk through the various political parties, the Girl Party, PNC, APC, Enomi UFP, Omonam Forme Kujum, Enomi Adiako Church and Semu, a check Ghana for no more quarterly and Semiti talk Ghana for Chimono. A church and Yanko Popa, a Dawa Chinano, demonstration of that more Tamalediano, and the Tamalediano, a bear pepe. A Semua, or Mount Fort Donoa, air can say, Sepia Son Sepia Yando, Atari. Then Tetia Yampam Ghana ya register what is here in a year. Register one year to go to Aba, Emma, and another Danko Kufa to Bayer Mampania to arena by 1 billion. It is a register in the Papa, the another and another, the Mampania would see in the Papa will see from HTTR. You will see from there and normal register non cosmetic and more. Next, the Capotina, the BTVC schools, the Capotina, the BTV Kumasia Pine. You can put in a bit mediating hospital. You can put in a bit media supply and Yama Ghana for Mediano. Young friendly said to Mano, not Ghana for Inyaho Amoto. Na Oshe, a China, a year and demonstration. No, the shot of past 6 The shot is free a year Abu Post Office School Park. Na ya kuwe more of Ashtown. Na ya from room near Bedford Zoo, Kumasi Zoo anymore. Near far a doom pampaso. Ni akofa asafo interchange ni afa labor ni abewie Jubilee Park hona amanyosemo kukunini ni anchoto route se PNC chairman Ura Bernard Bona NDC General Secretary Ura Johnson Esdun Ketia APC presidential candidate Hassan Ayariga any afofo bebre eledom no ebe kasa na yenya nti yese nipa bonfo bizo at so mo pape prem no mo be yam kasa me kasa demonstration no aye no grano e ka say de basa eyo eyeba ye power bit so aka kire sa afo no say sem kwan oni pakura wa ye na adress wo be ti sa abone no say piano ne te party aye no penny baby and net no be ye men sem be ye emre to asem bi so di mo a the cheaper ne di be ya eno de lo mfa ni program ti say ye ni apre ko then Traho and Macana, Yasum, Ghana, Cabimani Capua, Yat Atnaho, if it is in trade, then Traho Macin Mensa, and then another Danko Cupuado and Sano. And someone says, oh, Canoma, said, up to pray. What Tinoha, do a Tuacusia, Utinoha, do a Tiacusia, would you can't cast a machine, and Yapo, register no, and your papa. After you find information by a jet machine, your papa, after you also register, you're credible, but overstretched. Tabro for no free your woman in TV Grada. Overstretched, say. The American men have all said, say, and the Kowari or Ban or Banum Popia in so now Tofos is so much in drink. Now, and then it's now a woman, now, Sebi, at Tofonoti, Unonia, Diana, a you overstretched, mental and Kiana. Sana American men and Patrana. It depends on the idea, can say. Ghana, a young man, Ghana, your mania, the part of J. Yes, now money pack a clear be and for what selfish interest and far or more be the cattle petty and Tibinia as any say you see a portraiting for fra. PM, she said, and Yanamoa, a bed call your mammy and men and the bossman are starting the deputy lyric night directed on Quabotum and the 280 billion for Ghana City. I was a bazaar. It was many president register the people and Chese or more point more than Motiana, Sinia.
Okay. Ababe told you say you see base Ghana 173 million Ghana cedis. Say ye new register. But pacho sa analysis we mu.
Ya sa asem no ye kontom pole na braba e bi panyin sem kra mada. Wa mu na panya meka no ye na yes said ye so said ye nya do papa bia one ne kraman etie na kraman ne ho afro no no pese said ya no be fa ne kokunere Kramai no ya boni bi kra azu kramai we o ha adwene do kramai we obi kwan fi jato no okoka agu kramai we oponi paki kanipa he o me fa ne kokunu ne no na yisi e ka asem no yisi kan o ko he parliamentary document o mo ankasa de ko ya e trese register no aye be yes esi no ye be boka over 800 million that 329 million no mo kan wa no enye no kre o ma reference cost ni bi o ma yi be pre free data center even manage the process na nkata no and no 329 billion Ghana cedis no sika ye de be kwa ko treating ni na ye de be kwa ko treating no and also ka sika no okay can ni abo according to document of parliament 800 billion Ghana cedis and a day in I use so be say or minor 179 Ghana cedis because of say 2012 you treat ye de ka potna e bron sa na ye de tray granted says an asem no kra o kan no e no kra that na asem ye no kra 2012 ye de 400 and something billion de tray this ye de 800 billion e de tray if the national dey bibiri afrim o pesa ye de ye nsakoto abrewa aduane mo wie na afi je okofa bi won chanchan ba ni ya so do nsakoto abrewa aduane mo so upo be dey obedi ntinya no kra de biara da dey isi no be save 179 billion if he does a new registration. And let's do this analysis. And I'm saying, I don't say a district assembly election. Yes, 80,000 or so, 83,000 BVD kits. Now, already, yeah, what they call a district assembly elections. No, it cost 2 million Ghana cedis. 2 million Ghana cedis to repair 83,000 BVDs near the Koto district assembly election. And I used to because of when you're 99% success rate. A day in I was say you cover over 400 or 800 million to go in new register. To use the press conference our year in one kata. This is no cano or no one kata action a photo. Say if you know I was say no. What to be the 2 million Ghana cedis are repair? It would be the 2 million Ghana cedis repair. You see then our cafe. Yes, I'm 179, another 189 billion Ghana cedis. And Kotofu flow, Wabra, you spend far less to repair the PVD. Mamma, no, why not generator or peponiet? Mamma, why not generator or person de Passabasa, Eba or my in the Ghana, Nipia, Ghana, ya, Asu Jeta Wakuma so, Yankankota Wakuma sono, and what else sorry, na Okata, na a toy mammy, a men's dream, nana dream poor, when you dream of person or they say or mine with Abinia. I say, and your political parties in one acre. And say, civil society to Makomako 18, including prominent civil society groups like Imani Ghana and CPD. But we now say reasons why Mameno demand for the compilation of new register no, and unconvincing. It is and the men's that person changing at the end of also. Once at the end so by you know, who are the people sorry of different Mami de Mensa MPP for. They say, oh, the PR agency, a independent electoral commission, which is supposed to be an independent state body, MPP for. A day, Cafe, a day, she say, no one and I hear what them want. You know, what the PR department are. You see, the MPP, they different easy. Ghana, no, yeah, as of your mind, Ghana, your mind. Now, pay you forward, send your mocker. Almost says, what your boom ever. And do yen in Kwana near Maira. Apia many and a fed passa ye, a final century, yet to go by a tutua. It will know radio station or what. And from no coca radio station for the Omokan when I hear political parties. Yet 3 radio stations nominate here. Which now move from an untum. Now, Yemma, Mammy, who's idea or the Bakumano at the Passa every day. Okay. There are several other reasons I bet the issue of time. Time in Krama, that's what they call at the end of Branya. And yet, public citizen, a bread giant, Kakawi, I made a metan. Now, a China, a best friendly correspondent to Ukumazia, a yet despite group of companies, YouTube, and Nomia again, Nano. Obrana Moma Fast, they have life. Send a paya. Ghana food now, they will say, as Santamantan no MPP Akumano, as Santamantan no Angasam play. Abia ebe koso ewa electoral commission on it. Many are
okay, Abbas, but me no you and then open to mana.
There be
okay, good. Yo. Yes, 173 million ya we say yen kontompo. What the wadua na e kan sa keke say yen kontompo. Ana say nke wo benya say wo be demand ye fed better particulars any financial analysis electoral commission for ya edi adanse say ye betime say 173 million.
Yeah, my analysis natural. My analysis na me yeah yen so. It was using na nkata document or one statement I will be releasing, you know. This is there. District Assembly elections no akoye ne nansen. Or repair 83,000 BVD kits at a cost of 2 million Ghana cedis. There's a 20 billion old Ghana cedis. Meaning I wouldn't say
Minimpa.
Yes. It is over to repair BVD kits, at 2 million Ghana cedis. I don't think I was saying, yen stand for 189 million and copy the same BVD kits, the between repair, at a cost of 2 million Ghana cedis, And some American media, if you want I can ask them. If the machines are repairable, if the machines are upgradable, why must we use a much higher budget which could have been used for other alternative uses to go and procure machines that you won't be that are a bit repair? And there are some Americans say using is grounded in fact. It's grounded the facts are found in the one statement or the other two advantage.
Okay. Na wokasa oya new or use for no go ahead. Na one more new biometric register ya. De oye ne bebe de basa ye beba how kwan benzo.
Maybe I won't say you no pursue MPP agenda. Now Oshe MPP all along no more principle be say you won't call for you kruma or one stem fatata or Ghana. Obekaya 2015 Dr. Bawumia Kofa Ghana need to register. No, cause Ghana and go for be to about Ghana to about to go and Ghana register and your papa Yansan. Omoko fa Burkina and go for by over your Burkina for much about Burkina and only idea into a Ghana for Yansan. Actually, one kata the woman would say they go treat people from then you go for he said I'm gonna be the true with that the cat of which took for if you be the true with the cat of Ghana for Ashanti region Hayabia. Ghana card ya Opa baby a drama yell was on the Prempa Assembly Ball Chiwa. Full and if one guy will be control with ya. And people that was now some more Ghana for Muku. That's the normal person we are there. The reason behind it is I can't buy one. Now you come and people actually say, and you only say, Ghana register, so now the answer I will to register. So because over Ghana, your constitution, Article 8, dual citizenship is very much a part of our law. If it will be a dual citizenship, dual citizen of Ghana, and also a dual citizen of Togo or Togo Ghana, Togo Togo, and over Ghana, a register. You are Santa Fua, or Ghana for what I America for. Or what you Ghana, you register, so is our America register. You are Achim for, or Ghana for your London for, or what to about London as I to about Ghana. It ain't an MP go for far. That America register my effect, Santa Fonia Chim for be to about Ghana, American senior motivation because it is allowed, yes, your laws not allowed to be a dual citizen. To about Ghana, other to about any other country, or yes, citizen here. So that argument is legally broad. OSHA is citizenship, and you know, they recognize it, the kind of citizenship by birth, citizenship by descent. Ghana, we don't recognize citizenship by birth. So, my men, and I say, oh, papa, and now what I'm not, who get Ghana in India, who Ghana, brown get Ghana in with the ultimate American recognizes that kind of citizenship and they say, oh my papa Ghana and India we are American. But Ghana you recognize it before you can be a Ghanaian. Either one of your mothers, one of your parents, or one of your grandparents should be Ghanaian. If it's all my papa Ghana for you for America, you are an American by birth and a Ghanaian by descent. Who you have to about America, what you have to about Ghana. Say, oh my man, if you took now papa free Ghana, you are a Togolese. Here who took oh my man, oh papa Ghana for near who took you are a Togolese by birth and a Ghanaian by descent. You can vote both in Ghana and Togo. After we are making India, Ocean Free Ghana, your constitution, Article 8, Article 7, and Article 8. We want someone making now. The Dual Citizenship Act 2000, Act 591. We want someone making now. It does it for Musia. No one is kind of that tribalism. And of name, if you come with you, the Piamo, the margin and say, it's your 40, I'm on a 40 group of Ghana for the to register. Now, register, if you have to about more than 1 million. Can you need to be popping out per se? Will you go for one? It is out there because it's already about registering here.
Kwan Benson on Befaso a yin crophobia free more, 1 more year eligible. Says on Motua, but Kwan Benson.
Don't say, election rigging. I'll be free say, I don't know, I hear to a panel, guano, any rigged election. You are giving a friend of voter suppression. Say, opponent and the strong rules, no. There was the machine 5, with the machine 5, echo strong wound. For 10,000, with the machine, you took the record open and strong good for the same 10,000 people. Registration was all was all 4 I would say the Crocker, the Johnson people say, oh, machine, the cry, I say, and then to me, it was all over here, 8 hours was strong good. Open and strong good, no, I 3 hours. Into the, 100,000.
Nada Mususu says, Sana Yisi Bay. What required the other problem? I don't know Mususu.
Linia, Ghana card no more, no bad Santa region has this year, son of boy. Oko baby to say, as once and only at the moment say, predominantly Zumbu communities no. Baby to say, Tawaba. Nipa a war doors which change Nipa was Koreman room, but Tawaba on the machines for Penacusi, as Koreman for the machines in Sian. Tawaba on the Pradipani at Macacabia was why they were commissioner of over also registered or registered if 20 pay or the media they did give you. But what baby a MPP strong on the year. Ya create the necessary environment to people on the Kobe here the Yako. Oh yeah, dear Chia, our project. Bauko was Tawaba, Babo number 1 year, Babo number 2 on 1. I get a change over people is and son outside there. Card number 4 be that you moving up to date. Almost and can't open say about and to process the idea. You go baby to our face on only at you cross no. You can't get me cut the cover the electoral area. You will say, and this for those who open what you one day, yeah, come here, echo baby. It's after my canon. There are empirical evidence on the ground. Ghana card, that is what you are doing. Okay? Ghana card registration. Population, also in terms of voters register. Greater Accra and then pay to a also. At least according to the 2018 statistics, no. It's 3.08 million and the Tuapa voter region. Greater Accra region. Nipa 2.8 million the Tuapa Washington region. But yeah, Ghana card no. NID opened only 5,000 centers in Greater Accra for 2 or 3 weeks. But Ashanti region will open 10,000 centers. When you tell you Ashanti region will open 10,000 centers. What is the rationale? They are going to normal years. They will open 10,000. Our Ashanti region will 2.8 million voter population. I think they also open 5,000. Greater Accra will 3.08 million. That's just all I can for be. But via all the 10 regions, period I did and Ashanti region choir extended by 2 weeks.
Because of challenges we face here, because they are working in and sabi wo conjecture no ama ade a endi ko na wo pese wo ya ma ade de gugu abas
asem no American na asem no me tumre a me kire usie no men sem no American na na ma specific example opa nipa no a oko register is so ye ga wo dey want to be registered forwarding a number amount producer echna only no anya dey enkasa but there was a kind of will be tia say a case will be a gun and it's not determined by be evident here and also be tribute to
okay eti abas mami bisa we dey bring to mami bisa we it say no they are working most suspected my so much pessimistic about the yeasy say exercise in the basa yesan kwa control ye nim bi ma wo mo ebeye no ma bi a emmoa eye mo party they say sana wususu
And yeah, part on Sadiano and Metano to NDC and PPI, is significant. At the end, more than that. 28 civil society organizations, the kind of CASA, a condemn who say in Yasi the trading, and 18 as other count. In total, more than 40 civil society organizations now about the CASA. Some of the NDC for they are 10 times respect-based organizations that will crack information. And let's analyze the issues from the point of view of the ordinary Ghanaian. The Ghana will be there, say, register no act. Now register is about 1 month prior. Yet to about a district assembly election 17th December, and Sunday is 20th. 1 month, 3 days. A day there, a dear Santa Bay, I mean, I wasn't register 1 month, machines are 1 month, year, human to perfection. And my auntie, when it be an idea, there's within this short period, all of a sudden, machine in happen.
Okay.
Contested, piano is based on hard facts and the truth. It is true, we are saying, sorry, Waka. Now, you play the move, the Washington region. Now, you can tell you, is my main.
Okay. Isi na wamunim ena mrano ye dia ma omo se womonhwe se wombehwe yabatwe eso dia ma yan womo so na enim fidi a womo de ye adwuma womo te ho ahu se efidie we ye de to aba pa atenant no kosoro a ebe ha adwen ena womo kire mu se se womo sesa no ene womo wo eminent advisory committee womo tu womo 9 days asam no so womo ye se parties ni nyina remain calm na womo hwe se womo kanti chinchina ademo amu ye ediense sapa na ebetimi edi abase kobase yisi antu sa na mon we na ye yusu dade na ekofo ha obi foforo ba eno na so bon ye de bo hwan
nya o asemo American say edi na yisi no person one yisi say because of the biometrics if we are doing now biometrics no there are about 5 different forms. Your fingerprint authentication, any other, and your iris authentication. When you know, I'm saying you will more unique to everybody, and also your authentication and the facial recognition. Meaning, if say I'm a boy now, they are very unreliable at the country. You bring a facial recognition. They are most reliable a biometric and iris. And the yellow biometric are a 96% success rate. What they are known here, for facial recognition, I will 80%. In the assembly, any agenical. Biometric fingerprint biometric, now 96%. No. So we see a problem never going to mean so what. Facial recognition, I will 80% success rate. And in facial recognition, over America to say, a lot of states no discard facial recognition because you're unreliable. It is a what we have interview. So we could try a picture. Now when you are about yourself, now it's never also now when you are about yourself, facial recognition and you're unrecognizable. What you will do facial recognition no, and a later if you are accident being a mark in the down with one who could use facial recognition now and you're unrecognizable. So the solution that you see is proposing to the so-called problem with the current biometrics now will compound the problem based on evidence available. And until I imagine you don't see the doing the process, I also better about the here. And solve the problem there. If anything at all, it will worsen the problem. Now you see what just to say the current system they upgrade up. It means upgrade it means the 2 million repair the district assembly elections are. I didn't think to be repairing from 2020 election, which is 10 months away.
Okay.
From a very bipartisan objective point of view. You know, as a Ghana, you will never say,
all right. Abbas, Yakobon Yadomochina, the Abaco Subiano, Yadi Anybody.
Many are made as a family chair, from William.
Who's here or ha? Actually, Punk no. Needs FM.